Yaadies, big up on yourself. Well, since you love the first video we did do, I cover the American football basics. Now we're gonna jump in and how to actually enjoy the game. So if you never see the first video, go watch that first and then come back. Or else that video is not gonna make no sense to you. Alright, so now that we know the basics, this is how we are gonna enjoy the game. So if a field team have the ball, them are the offense. And what you want to say? Them get either a touchdown or a field goal, but you want them to score as much points as possible. And if a field team are play defense, you want the complete opposite of that. You want to see them stop any movement of the ball and get it back so them can go up on offense. So when the offense now go for line up on the line of scrimmage to make a play, them usually go do one of two things. Them either are going to run the ball or them are going to pass the ball. And you can usually tell what them are going to do by how them line up in a formation. So when them are going to run, them are going to start the line so them can block the defense and make a little space so the running back can go through. And when them are going to throw the ball, them usually have like 2 or 3 receiver line up who them are going to throw the ball to. But remember, I tell you, it's a strategy game. And part of the strategy have to fool the defense. So sometimes them pretend like them are going to run to make the defense adjust and then them throw the ball. Or them pretend like them are going to throw the ball and then them run it. Now, if the quarterback line up and notice the defense are pre-war go on with the play where him a run, him will do something what them call a audible. And what a audible is, that means him a change the play. So if you hear them say the quarterback call a audible upon the play there, him they plan for run a play, but when them see what go on, him decide to change it. Now, as long as them a move the ball forward and I pick up first downs till them score before the clock run out, like Elephant Man did say, them good to go. Now, before the play start, see, at the center usually have the ball. So while the quarterback account and a call out the play them and them thing, then nobody can move till him snap the ball to the quarterback. And go one person on the offense can move before the snap, and the quarterback have to put that person in a what them call motion, and him use a back step to do that. So once that somebody there in a motion now, the defender upon the other team where cover him can move too. So you will see the two of them a move for cover each other, but only the two of them. So if them decide to run the ball, see, and when them run the ball, them call it a carry. And then the running back get tackled. Anyway, him need them touch the ground, and that's how them are going to spot the ball. If the running back a run and him trip and drop by himself, as long as nobody not touch him and him not out of bounds, he can get up back and run said way. But if him drop on the ground and somebody on the defense touch him when him up on the ground, him considered down by contact and the play dead. If him a run with the ball and him need them to touch the ground and them lick the ball out time hand, them call it a fumble. And if the other team pick up the ball with them lick out time hand, them can run with it and go try to score. Unless somebody from team recover the ball and save the play. If them decide to throw the ball though, them have to be behind the line of scrimmage to throw it. Now, when you're behind the line of scrimmage, you can drop back behind the line as far as you want, but you can only throw the ball from behind the line. If the quarterback run across the line, him can't throw the ball again, and them have to run with it. And then once him start run with the ball now, them treat him just like any other player. When them finally decide to throw the ball to the receiver, him have to catch it and have full control of it, and that usually happen within like 2 steps before them consider it a complete pass. If him drop it or them lick him down before him in a control of it, them are going to call that an incomplete pass. Now, if the same receiver in a control of the ball and them a run with it and them lick it out time hand and it not go out of bounds, it's a fumble that. And the defense can pick it up and run with it. Unless the offense or somebody from a team recover the ball, then them save the play. But if him fumble and the defense pick it up, them can run it back and try to score. If the quarterback throw the ball and somebody from the defense catch it, them call that an interception. And the other team can run the other way with it and try to score. And that's one other thing where the quarterback, them hate for happen to them because we bring out the other team offense. And you will hear the commentator them say, the pass got picked off by the defense. One of the worst things that can happen to a quarterback, other than a sack, is an interception. The funny thing is though, if you score a touchdown, the runner don't have to physically in the end zone for them get a touchdown, you know. As long as them in a control of the ball and the ball go over the line, or what them call break the plane, is a touchdown that. So you will see them run out of bounds and just stretch the ball over the line, or them touch the pylon them on the corner of the field, and then we get a touchdown feet because all the ball have to do are break the plane. If it's a touchdown pass though, when the receiver catch the ball, he must have 2 foot down in the end zone and have control of the ball, even if they must fall out of bounds. If them not have control of the ball and 2 foot not up on the ground, it will just be an incomplete pass. All right, so one thing you're going to see in a football is a whole heap of flag on the play. So we could go over some of the most common flag you're going to see called against your team if a them are the offense. False start are one of the most common for the offense. Now, how that work? If somebody on the line jump or flinch before the center snap the ball to the quarterback, them always all get called feet. And I think that is a 5-yard penalty. Holding, that's the next one. Now, you can defend the quarterback or the runner by blocking the defender, or you can push him, but you can't hold him. If you hold on upon him and you get catch, they're going to call you for holding. Illegal formation is so common, but illegal formation happen when the offense, them supposed to line up a certain way behind the line of scrimmage, and them not set up right, and then them snap the ball. The official them are going to call for illegal formation. Now, intentional grounding. That's when the quarterback get pressure from the defense and them have to dash away the ball. Because if he make a pass, him supposed to have a receiver in the area when him throw the ball. So if him dash with the ball and the receiver not there, when him throw it, and the receiver didn't have to catch it, him just have to in the area, them are going to call him for intentional grounding. Now, offensive pass interference. When the quarterback make a pass and him throw it to the receiver and him a run down the field, him a go have a defender next to him who a run side of him. No, the receiver can't make contact with him or push off of him before he catch the ball. If him do it, them a go call him for offensive pass interference. All right, so since we go over all of the flag them for the offense, now we are going to go over all of the flag them for the defense. So if your team a play defense, and one of your lineman them jump, just like when them call false start on the offense, or them flinch before them snap the ball, them are going to call them for offside. And that's usually a 5-yard penalty. So nobody can move till them snap the ball unless you're one of the 2 people in a motion. So if you flinch and you're up on the defense, they're going to call you for offside. And just like how the offense can get called for holding, the defense can get called for holding too. So you can block and you can push, but you can't hold. If you hang on past somebody and you get catch, they're going to call you for holding. Same thing with pass interference. When the quarterback throw the ball to the receiver, you can't touch him while he run. But when the ball get close, you can try to stop him from catch it. But if you touch him while he run toward it, they're going to call you for pass interference every time, unless you can get away with it. Now, encroachment is when somebody on the defense, on the line, them jump before the ball snap, but not only jump, but make contact with somebody on the other team. They will call encroachment for that. If you jump up before the snap and you don't touch nobody, you're offside. But if you touch somebody, encroachment. Now, the game kind of protect the quarterback a little more than the other player them, because they don't want him to get hurt since he's the leader of the team. So if you make unnecessary contact with the quarterback or you rough him up too much, they might go call you for roughing the passer. So the running joke is you have to bring a pillow and a blanket and all them things there for the quarterback to make sure him lay down comfortable and thing when you tackle him, because him too precious and them don't want him get hurt. You know, I just saw football treat them give them a little bit more preferential treatment than the other rest of players. Them flag I'm going to tell you about can get called upon anybody. And the first one is personal foul. Now this means any kind of foul where them deem say endanger player safety, they'll get called for a personal foul feat, and that is usually a 15-yard penalty. unsportsmanlike conduct is the next one. And that anything with them deem excessive. And you would have surprised, because some of the things them when we see them call for unsportsmanlike conduct, it don't really make sense, but them have that provision of the game of football. So when you hear them say unsportsmanlike conduct, I that go on. Face mask is the next one. If you grab somebody face mask and them catch you, you'll get a penalty for it, and that is usually a 15-yard penalty. A horse tackle collar no common, but that's when you grab somebody by them shoulder pad and drag them down, and you get catch. Them all call you for a horse collar tackle, but that one not so common like the face mask one though, but it exists. Unnecessary roughness is a common one. That's another one where them can call upon you if you make a tackle or you make a hit and them deem say it excessive, you're definitely going to get called for that one. Yeah. Now, before the first and second half done, usually about the second and fourth quarter, them have what you call a 2-minute warning where the clock stop. So some teams use this to them advantage as like an extra timeout. So them can plan plays and them thing there. So you will notice the team them will try to manage the clock to them advantage, but you will pick up on that the more you watch. So between the video and the first one, you have enough information for fully enjoy the game. And the rest side, you will pick up the more you watch. Alright, so we're going to leave it as of today, though, in a like a 2-part series of American football for Yaadies. And just in case you don't figure it out yet, Iman is a diehard Giants fan, so you see it. So even though they're not going, we don't know still, but I hope they may be able to help you to enjoy the game a little bit more. So leave me some feedback if you so desire. But until next time, as always, make sure you bless up on yourself, man, and, safe travel upon the gravel and take it easy.